Hi guys, take a good look at this setup. I want you to take a good look at this setup, right? Now, as you can see, we are currently in an uptrend, right? A good uptrend, and I'm having my point of interest at this zone, right? This is how you catch a very good move when you are trading. Now, we have a move here, and we have another point of interest at this particular zone again. We have another point of interest at this zone, right? A lot of people will be looking at taking a trade from this particular zone, but I call this an inducement, right? We have a break of structure, we have a market structure shift from here, we have a BOS from this particular zone right here. Let's mark it out. I have a break of structure from here, from this particular zone. Now, definitely, if you can get a buy, we'll be targeting this high at this zone. Now, I will not be trading this zone. This is completely an inducement, right? And if you are taking a trade from this zone, it will be very, very awkward to take a trade from here. Some people might be marking this place as their liquidity here, marking this zone as their liquidity, okay, and say we're having a fair value gap here and we should be taking a buy from this particular zone. If you are taking a buy from this particular zone, definitely this trade is just going to induce you, right? Let's say this is the zone, this is the perfect zone to take a trade from. This is just an inducement, right? So always mark out your inducement and know what you are looking for in the market, right? Now, if you have taken a long position from here, let's see what would have happened if you have taken a long position from this particular point of interest. A long position from here, just a minute, a long position from this place, targeting this high here, this place. This is a very good place to put your TP, but for what I'm telling you, this is simply an inducement. This is where you should be taking your buy position. So if you are taking a trade from here, let's see what would have happened. Let's see what would have happened. As you can see, bam, TP sorry, stop loss hit, right? Now, what is the proper way and what are you supposed to do, right? This was clearly just an inducement. This was just an inducement. You understand what I'm saying? Now, this is where the market is heading to. You just got liquidated if you are trading from a zone like this, right? This is how you're supposed to analyze it. This is what we are looking at for. From here, we have our liquidity from this particular zone here. Our liquidity from this zone, right? So we are having our point of interest from this place. So this was clearly an inducement. Now, this is where our entry was supposed to be from this particular zone. Our entry is supposed to be at this particular zone from here. Then target that high as your TP, this place as your full TP, right? As you can see, you really got induced if you have taken this trade from this zone, right? Now, this is what would have happened, and this is what happened when we took this trade from here. Let's delete this one, press delete, and this is how this setup is supposed to be. Now take a look at what happened, and mind you, if you are entering from this place, you give your stop loss a good place to breathe, right? Then give your stop loss a good place to breathe. Stop trading an inducement, just keep it simple. Now this is what would have happened. You seen it? The market tap us in from this particular zone. As you can see, heading towards our TP. So it's better you don't trade inducement. Keep trading as easy as ABCD, right? Don't complicate anything. Make sure you are marking out your inducement. It's very, very important. Keep trading as simple as ABCD, or else you are going to keep getting inducement and induced, right? So keep it as simple as ABC and know what you are looking out for. You guys should be safe out there.